Today, Year 2, we're going to learn about the Bible. The Bible is a very special book. It is the Christian holy book. It comes in all different shapes and sizes, and it is translated into 400 different languages. It is the biggest selling book in the world. And you can see lots of different versions of the Bible on this page. The Christian Bible is made up of two parts, the Old Testament, which is the first part of the Bible, and the New Testament, which is the second part of the Bible. The Bible was written long ago by many different authors, and it contains stories, songs, poetry, letters and prayers. Okay, Year 2. What I'd like you to do now is think about what you have learnt about the Bible today. How many facts can you remember? You can choose one or more of these activities to complete. Number 1. You can watch the short video I've attached to Google Classroom to find out more information about the Bible. You can make a pic collage about the Bible. Include some pictures if you like too. Number 3. You could listen to the story about Mary Jones that I have attached to Google Classroom. This story is all about the Bible too. And the final activity, if you have a Bible at home, you could have a look at it and read some of the stories. I hope you have lots of fun, Year 2, choosing one of those activities to complete. Please remember to send me any work you've completed on Google Classroom.